scrolling if your Zobo isn't selling, it's not because people don't like your Zobo. Let me tell you why and how to fix it. I know how frustrating it can actually be when you try to do everything, package the Zobo and everything, and you are still not making sales. Whether you post online or you try to sell offline, you're not making sales. This is mistakes 99% of sellers make. Let me tell you. Here are 3 main reasons your Zobo doesn't sell. 1. Presentation. You know that your eyes will eat first before your mouth eats. So if you do not package your Zobo very well, if you do not package it nicely, people might probably not patronize you. So some people just end up doing a nice product, arranging a nice product. At the end of the day, they don't pay attention to their packaging. Number 2, your pricing. That you see other people selling online, maybe you saw that selling 2,500 naira for bottle, and you know that your location, people like cheap things, and you want to sell it for 2,500 because you said you know the value. Currently now, some people don't like things that have too much value. It's just few persons that knows the worth of a thing. You get? So you have to check your location and know the prices that can fit in. So it's not must you use everybody's price. Check your cost of production and calculate it very well and do your business. If not, if people ask you the price of your goods, they might probably walk away. That's just it. 3. Visibility and approach. If you're just starting up a Zobo business, it's not advisable to start posting online. Like, you just started this thing today and start posting it online. Note, with time the thing might probably get spoiled if you are not able to sell it, and that's a huge loss on it. So if you want to do this kind of business, you have to let people around you, like your neighbors, need to know, oh, I'm doing this business, so I have this, oh, and it's very nice, so you can give it a try. Like that, like that, like that. If this person takes and likes it, this person will not refer this person, this person will not refer this person. So don't just sit down there and just wait for visibility to, or maybe one of your videos to go viral before you start making sales. If not, you will lose a lot of money. Here are ways to actually fix these things. 1. Clean and attractive bottle. 2. Adjust your pricing. 3. Be visible and engaging. If people chat you up, try and reply. If you step out to sell, try and be polite. Just try and be polite. So when I made my first ever Zobo production, my problem wasn't the packaging aspect. My problem was the visibility and the pricing. That was where I was actually having a big challenge, because it would be nice that you try to do business and at the end of the day you are not making any profit. It's not even worth it. It's not worth it investing your time into things that you know that at the end of the day you are not seeing anything, until I adjusted the price and I became more visible. This was how I was able to start selling like that. If you actually want more tips on how to grow your Zobo business or any of your small business very fast, oya follow me for more amazing tips.